Hey everyone, welcome back. Till now, we have seen how to create the front-end operations. Now let's look into some backend properties of PyQT. Signals and slots are the common backend properties in PyQT. Signal is a special property of an object that can emit in response to the type of event. An event may be something such as user action, a timeout, or completion of asynchronous method call. Slots are object method that can receive a signal and act in response to it. We can connect signal to slot in order to configure our application response to event. Now let's see simple signals and slot in PyQt and do some simple application. Alright, welcome back. In the previous lesson, we have developed the front-end part of our application using PyQt. Now, what I'm going to do here is that based upon the list of items which is given, I'm going to display the particular image. For example, if I click on this lemon, I might get the lemon, peach, I might get peach and strawberry and so on. In order to do that, first let's download the images. I already downloaded the images and I created a folder named images, and inside the images I have the images like lemon, peach, radish, strawberry, etc. Now what I'll do, based upon the selection in the combo box, I need to display that particular image whenever I click on the button. So that's what the event that I'm going to create in this lesson. So in this lesson, the major topic that we're talking here is signals and slot. Basically, the QPush button is one of the example of signal. Means as soon as an user press a button, it will emit some signal. We need to specify some kind of a slot to it to act response to it. Let's say I'll create one function, change image, and specify self, and inside that let me print clicked. So what I'm doing here is that as soon as if I press this QPush button, I should print clicked. That's what I want to do here. Okay. So in order to connect this, what I'll do here inside this, let me specify clicked equal to specify the function name, which is self.change image. So that's what my change image function. Now let's execute this program and see how we can able to get this. Okay, python qt underscore template dot py. Now execute it. Okay, we got our application is ready. Now as I said, like I given the connection to my click function, means as soon as I click on this select, and this is going to be connected to my change image and it will get print. So let me click on this, and you can notice that in our command prompt, whenever I press this select button and this click is printed. That's a simple signal and slot operation. Let me close this. In this case, QPush button will emit the signal and this function will receive the signal. So this is what the difference between signal and slot.